And I'm excited to invite startup number 2 for today. It's Doktorijum. It's from Serbia, and they were the winners of Unicorn pitches in the Western Balkans. So please meet Vuk. Hi, Vuk. I see your presentation. I don't hear you. Okay, it's full screen, but we don't hear you. Just one moment.
I bet you can hear me now.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay. It was the full screen just before.
Yeah, it's going to come back. Just a sec, sorry. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully you can see it now.
Yeah.
Right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Unicorn.Events, for our first opportunity in the Western Balkans, which we won, and we're very proud of it. And everybody else who's here to listen to what we have to say. So as a medical physician, as a medical doctor, and with our IT team, we've built Doktorijum, which is actually an integrated solution for management of healthcare institution interactions, addressing a lack of healthcare record standardization and an abundant loss of medical record data, which we see as physicians on a daily basis. And it improves the direct physician communication both ways. We've built Doktorijum around an EHR system, which addresses the patient through a mobile application, and the clinic or the physicians through something we call a system, which is basically a desktop-based version. The application for the patients actually works in 3 very simple steps. We often see patients searching for an adequate level of care and an adequate physician and not being able to find it. So we build these 3 steps through a simple triage, and then choosing where the patient would like to go and what sort of specialty they need based on that triage, and then simply scheduling the appointment. Now, since last year has been very turbulent throughout the globe, we use that proprietary algorithm that we have developed for Doktorijum to integrate a COVID-19 module into our platform. And we've done that, again, through a small triage and directing the patients towards the adequate regional institutions where they would have to report if they are actually COVID positive. Where this actually helps in preventing the spread of COVID-19 and any other infectious disease that may affect us is the fact that immediately upon registering as a COVID positive patient, any clinic or physician that the patient has previously visited will immediately be notified so that they can take adequate cautionary and preventative or diagnostic measures. Now, we've seen telemedicine grow over the past year to incredible numbers. Some numbers show 50 times and some numbers show much more than that. So we've decided to integrate a telemedicine module into Doktorijum. And now the physician can actually communicate without using several different platforms to communicate with the patient and actually make a report towards that same patient. It is all done through one simple solution. The market that we are currently addressing is primarily based in the Southeast European region. It is about 26 million people and about 4 million patients a year. We see about 300,000 users of various health apps. However, unfortunately, only about 8% of those patients use these apps to make an appointment with a physician or in a clinic. And if you can take into account that 42% of these people actually use it for a healthy lifestyle of any sort, it is very important for us to be able to access this market. Doktorijum's business model is based around a monthly subscription paid either by the clinics or by the insurance companies, which are our main partners, and we are currently in negotiation with 2 very large insurance partners in our region. The mobile application for the patients is free and will remain free forever.
The way very sorry, time is up. Just last slide. And
yeah, sure. These are ways of actually addressing the patients, the B2B and the insurance companies. I'll skip over the competitors. You can see our rise in KPIs, and we are currently planning to spread this year into Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and other countries to follow within the next 18 months. The aim is to empower the patients to have a better healthcare and to serve the physicians to provide that better healthcare. This is us, the team that has actually built Doktorijum. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much. 2 minutes for questions and answers.
A question regarding how long is your sales cycle to either the insurance companies or the clinics?
Well, we sign annual contracts with the clinics, and we sign annual contracts with the insurance companies. However, since we are building the platforms, actually adapting our platform to the insurance companies' needs, we are seeing that these contracts with insurance companies are going to have an automatic renewal.
No, my question was how long it will take you to acquire one of these customers.
Oh, sorry, excuse me. Well, it depends really. The clinics are the biggest challenge for us because physicians are very difficult to take any new technologies into account. So that has proven to be a major challenge for us. However, insurance companies recognize this very, very well for us. And we've literally been able to sign a contract with the insurance companies within several months.
I have a question. That is, are you going to be limiting yourself to only the insurance sector, or are you planning to merge up with the other industries in terms of when you're having B2B? So you might want to provide these services to the corporate organizations, employee benefits wise, you know, like if you can merge up there, devise a product according to that. And do you have any plan to, or does your model serve any plan to do with B2B2C business model, if you could say? So
Doktorijum is completely our proprietary product. We are able to adapt it to anybody's needs that might approach us or that we might see fit. We are not limited to what we're doing, and I will take into account one simple case, and that is that we are currently developing a clinical trials module for Doktorijum, which is only going to serve a B2B purpose with pharmaceutical companies, where they will use it for oncological patients for the time being, so they can provide adequate tracing, because we are able to use various APIs to integrate monitoring and so on and so forth. We really have a broad scope of what we can do. This is just the beginning for us.
Thank you very much, Hugh.
Thank you.